ಜಗದ್ಗುರು ಮಧುಸೂದನ್ ಸಾಯಿರವರ 46ನೇ ಜನ್ಮದಿನೋತ್ಸವದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಚ್ಛಪಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಆಯುಷ್ಯು ಆರೋಗ್ಯವನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಜನರ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮುಂದುವರಿಸಲಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಆಶಿಸೋಣ.
This is a day of celebration for all of us for his presence in our life. He embodies the best that our philosophical systems talk about of service to mankind being service to the divine.
I pray to Bhagavati to bless him with more urja, with more vision and the power to actualize that vision.
Wherever we are, we'd like to participate in his birthday celebrations. I wish him many more universities to be created by him, many more hospitals to be created by him for the good of the entire world.
Wishing you a very, very happy birthday, Sadhguru.
Sadhguru, wishing you a very, very happy birthday. On this very special day, I hope you have a very, very healthy and a long life to serve the humanity, and what you've been doing has been remarkable.
I really admire the work that you're doing and the cause that you're working for. I think it has been brilliant. On your 46th birthday, I would like to wish you a very, very best.
ಸದ್ಗುರು ಅವರ 46ನೇ ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳನ್ನು ನಾನು ಅರ್ಪಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಭವಿಷ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಅವರ ಸೇವೆ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಪಂಚಕ್ಕೆ ನಿರಂತರವಾಗಿ ಸಿಗಲಿ. ವಸುದೈವ ಕುಟುಂಬಕಂ ಎಂಬತಕ್ಕಂಥ ತತ್ವದಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಸೇವೆ ಅನನ್ಯವಾದದ್ದು. ಮುಂದುವರ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ದೇವರವರಿಗೆ ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹಾರೈಸ್ತೇನೆ.
On behalf of all his devotees from all parts of the world, we wish a very, very long life and a very blessed life, so that he can guide all of us in this journey to find ourselves and our spiritual anchor.